Hi, I'm Maria Prieto with Sanger West Productions, and you're watching This Week at West, where we update you on what's happening around campus and fill you in on how you can get involved in the Hornets community. Wednesday, Dutch Bros will be on campus before school starts. Make sure to bring some money for that early morning coffee, Hornets. Seniors, have you taken your senior portraits? This Wednesday, Maxwell Studios will be on campus taking photos for students that have not yet taken their senior portrait for the yearbook. You won't want to be left out. Call Maxwell Studios to schedule your appointment. This is your last chance to be included. Wednesday is a big day for some of our English language learners. Sanger West will be holding a reclassification breakfast Wednesday to celebrate their accomplishments. Thursday is Halloween. There will be a costume contest during lunch. Students and staff will have the opportunity to participate and win prizes for dressing up. Make sure your costume is school appropriate. Kona Ice and Aguas Rancheritas will both be on campus during lunch on Thursday, so it should be a fun lunch period. A new Westcast airs this Thursday. It'll be jam-packed with updates on school events, sports, and more. Don't miss the Sanger Westcast. Look for the link on our Sanger West Productions Instagram page and on Remind. There will be no school Friday, Hornets. Make sure to catch up on your sleep and be ready to roll for the next week. Saturday, our speech and debate team will compete. We wish them good luck. Green Team partners up with Civic Engagement Club Saturday. Both clubs will head out to Del Rey with hopes of restoring the local park. It'll be a wonderful opportunity to go out and give back to the community. Seniors can also use this event for their senior hours. Make sure to watch the safety training videos to participate. Do your parents have any questions they want to ask? Would they like the opportunity to meet the new principal, Mr. Ogier? The PTSA will be having a general meeting this Tuesday at 6. The meeting will take place in the Innovation Tank. Parents will have the opportunity to meet the new principal as well as discuss the future plans for the school. Parents or anyone who would like to attend the meeting needs to RSVP by 5 p.m. Monday. Pizza will be served. For more information on the PTSA meeting, we'd like to welcome Ms. Sogomonian, who is on the board of the Sanger West PTSA. So, Ms. Sogomonian, what is the PTSA meeting for?
Hi, Maria. It's great to be here. We're very festive in our Halloween costumes, aren't we?
Yeah.
So the PTSA is our Parent-Teacher Student Association, and I'm one of the teachers that is part of the PTSA, and it's really an organization aimed at making Sanger West a better place. We want to do events and things that bring the community together. And one way we're going to bring the community together is by hosting dinner with the principal this Tuesday night at 6 o'clock. Families have a chance to come on out, meet Mr. Ogier, ask him their questions, and have some pizza too.
That sounds really fun. And what should parents know about the PTSA meeting that's coming up?
It's a free meeting. You don't have to be a member of the PTSA to come on out. There is a QR code that you can scan and then let us know, RSVP by Monday at 5 p.m. to let us know that you are planning to come. But it's free to come to, learn about the PTSA, meet Mr. Ogier. This is your chance to ask him questions, see our beautiful campus. Our innovation room in the H building is where the meeting will take place. It's just a good opportunity to see other families, meet the principal, and get to know our campus a little bit better.
That's good to know. And why is it important to have a PTSA here on campus?
It's important to have a Parent-Teacher Student Association because it's a great way for all of those entities to talk and to see what is needed and necessary on our campus. We also love to give back to our students. There are scholarship opportunities that come with the PTSA and being a member. So seniors every year, we award some scholarships to some of our members that have participated. It's just a good way to build community support.
That's really cool. And if any of you guys are interested, the PTSA sounds like a really cool program, especially for scholarships as well.
Yeah, so students can join and adults.
Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Stay up to date on what's happening at Sanger West. Follow Sanger West Productions on Instagram and YouTube. You can also email story ideas to our advisor, Sarah Sogomonian. Thanks for watching This Week at West. Have a great week, Hornets. For Sanger West Productions, I'm Maria Prieto.